Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to access and use one of the 3 Erasmus Plus tools available on the School Education Gateway, the Mobility Opportunities. When on the homepage, you can access the mobility opportunities through the direct link under Erasmus Plus for Schools or via the Erasmus Plus Opportunities link in the top navigation bar. We'll go with the latter. On this page, you'll see 3 distinct sections: the course catalog, the mobility opportunities, and the strategic partnerships. The mobility opportunities section, which we'll focus on in this video, is in the middle. The other 2 tools will be covered in separate tutorials. Now click on the See All link to go to the mobility opportunities section. At the top of this page, you'll see 3 upcoming mobility opportunities and a button to go to a map view. Opening the map allows you to filter opportunities by geographical location upon clicking on any country. Hovering over countries will show you how many opportunities are available in each country. Below, you'll find the search. You can either select to see all announcements or filter them already by type. Mobility opportunity offers by potential hosts or requests by those looking to go on a mobility. When looking for offers, you can select a member type for which the announcement is intended. When looking for requests, you can select the organization type. Complete your search by typing any relevant keyword in the free text field. The advanced search provides additional filtering options: key competences, opportunity type, location, language, and start and end date. Click on Search when you have entered your search criteria. Here on the results page, you can define how your results will be ordered, change how many results are displayed per page, and see the number of results for your search. Each result shows the dates of the opportunity, the location, the language, and the name of the organization, as well as the category and the type of opportunity. To edit your search, if you wish, you can always select more or remove filters. Remember to click Apply Filters when you're done. To know more about a specific opportunity, click on its title. Here, on the page of a specific announcement, you find the description and the details of the mobility opportunity. You can add the opportunity to your favorites via the link on the top right of the description. You can find your favorited mobility opportunities at any time by clicking on the link Favorited Mobility Opportunities just a little above. Below the description, you'll find more information. Click on Show More to see additional details such as the key competences and the target audience. Use the Contact Organization button if you have a question or if you're interested in the opportunity. Clicking on it will show a message box that allows you to directly communicate with the organization. At the bottom of the page, there is a comment section where you can read other people's comments or write your own. Report a problem allows you to submit a concern about the page content. Your message will be handled by the School Education Gateway Help Desk. On the right-hand side column, you'll find information about the organizer with a link to the organizer's profile page, buttons to follow or contact the organizer, and finally, if there are any, the other opportunities from the same organization. Now, last but not least, to publish your own mobility opportunity announcement, click on the link Add Mobility Opportunity right at the top of the page. To do this, you need to be affiliated to an organization. First, select which you want to post, an offer or a request. Then fill in all the information. Select the checkbox if you agree with the terms and conditions and click on Save as Draft. To publish your announcement, first go to your list of mobility opportunities. There you will find your announcement under Drafts. Go to Edit, change the status to Published, click on Submit, and your announcement is published. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We wish you the best of luck with the rest of the course.